Hey guys, we're back.
Hey guys.
We're back with another Pokemon break. We're able to pick up some of the new Destined Rivals booster boxes. So this is going to be our first look at a booster box. So let's open this one and see what we're blessed with. Alright. See if I can open this one more gracefully than ETB. And then pop this out and just slide it in. Oh man, work smarter, not harder. Alright, here we go, you know the drill. My dude's got his popcorn to hold the best one. Pikachu will hold the second best one. Dude's got his little hat on. Says he's gonna give us a special delivery. Let's see how special it is. The first ETB was pretty special, so let's hope the first booster box is just as special, or more special. And these packs feel nice and sturdy, in case anyone cares. I don't even know if I mentioned that on Journey Together.
I know.
Here we go. Arrokuda. Ethan's Adventure. Applin, where's Diplin? Anything good? There's a sheep, needs his mask. Anything good? Yeah. Diplin, where's Applin? Team Rocket's Great Ball. There's the Lipard. Anything good? Anything? Man, I really hope there's... we haven't looked at the cards. You know we don't look at the cards. Never. Don't even look at the list, really. But I hope there's a gold... what was it called? Bother Bomb?
Oh my god.
Yeah,
Bother box? Yeah, bother box.
No.
Yeah.
Was it? Well, we'll find it. Mario Leaf. Bother Bot. There we go, right on cue.
Yeah.
Team Rocket's Bother Bot. Yeah, that's the best card in it. I hope there's a gold one. Melodic. Wow. Anything good? We got the good one right. Anything? Team Rocket's Bother Bot. I didn't think anything was gonna replace Moo Moo Cheese. Buddy Poffin.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. There's your boy's energy. He needs to shock the box awake and leave us shocked. Wash Rotom. I thought that said washroom. Sacred Ash. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Uh-oh. Whose energy that is. It's not in this one. Transceiver. Anything good? Anything? Nothing, Judge. Oh, wait. What the? I was off one, probably. Yan Mega. Yan Mega? Maga. First hit from the booster box. Uh-oh. Whose energy that is. My dudes. There's a cool Misty in this. Anything good? Anything? Of Misty and Ryan's boy, Psyduck. So you know Ryan Tran wants that card. Major League Baseball. Mo Rotom. Swellow. Granite Cave. Anything good? Anything? I'm just flying through this side. Mudsdale. Proton. Anything good? Anything? Hey, that's cool. Dondozo. What? Wait, that card's damaged. Right?
Whoa.
Yeah, it totally is. Yeah.
There's lines.
No, it's like bubbled up. Oh, look at that.
Oh, yeah, I was about to see it. Looks
Wow. Look at that, man. I've never seen that. That's crazy. Well, huh. We gotta pull that again. That's never happened to us.
Nope.
Never. Nothing looking like that, at least. Wow. That's crazy. How does that even happen? That's just an error card. Well, error print or
You got stuck in the print
something. You know whose energy that is. Impidum. Great ball. Anything good? Anything? Articuno. Mario Leaf. Kuda. Harvin Sandwich. Anything good? Anything? Oh. Working our way up to the SIR. Nothing wrong with that one. In fact, it looks nicer than most. That's weird. That is so weird, man. I mean, we've had crimped corners or crimped tops and stuff like that, but
yeah.
Nothing like that. Remember the cards that had all that white stuff on?
Yeah, like the white dust.
Yeah. Nothing really damaged though. Toad's Cool, Rush Limbaugh. Sacred Ash. Hypno Toad. Anything good? That's cool. Anything good? Yeah. That is olive oil. Misty Starmie. Rainbow Dash, already got the good one. Anything good? Dude, again! Why did I think that was gonna happen, man? Oh man, already Duplicate Town. Ryan Tran running for mayor. Anything else? Nothing. Wow, already. One of the illustration rare hits in the booster is a trip to Duplicate Town, but still. Alright. Uh-oh. Whose energy that is. Small of oil. Meowth. Mudsdale. Good. Anything? Blowing through this right side. It's almost time for John John. He's on summer vacation, so he'll be here all summer. We can get him out of the pool. Major League Baseball. TM machine?
Yeah.
My Little Pony. Anything good? Anything? What do we got? 4 packs left. What? Anything good? Anything? Hey, Rabska. Cool looking. Uh-oh, fire. Is this box gonna be fire? We're on fire for Yeshua, and you know this. Mo Rotom, Growlithe, Electabuzz, Venture Bomb, Toad Skrull, Rush Limbaugh. Anything good? Anything? Nah. Well, at least it's time for pack 17. What's that, John? That's right, buddy. Alright, let's see what John's got in his pack. He's on summer vacation, spending all his time by the pool already, watching cartoons. Let's see what he's got in his pack. Bedlam, a Beldum, Chingwing, Arvin Sandwich, Starmie. Anything good? Anything? John. Alright. Last pack from the right side. Don't know what to... Well, let's see after this pack. What to think of that right side. Uh-oh. There's your boy's energy. It's the shock that hits awake and leave us shocked. Heat Rotom. Gobots. Anything good? Anything? Gorbis? Alright, first pack from the left side. You know the spiel. Some kid would have won a jackpot. Asked for a pack of Pokemon. This would have been the first pack put on display, the first pack Adam put out. So let's see if he should have kept his tickets, or this was a wise investment. Uh-oh. Fire? Is the rest of this box gonna be fire? We're on fire for Yeshua, and you know this. Toad Skrull, Rush Limbaugh. Barrascuda? Anything good? Anything? Yeah. But, what if he won 2 jackpots? And was able to buy 2 packs? And this would have been the other pack he got. So let's see if he should have bought some Harry Potter butterbeer gummies instead. Or jelly beans. Here we go. Transceiver. Growlithe, very good. There's finally somebody different. Anything? Hey. That's a cool card. Grimmsnarl. Grimlock and Snarl. So he might have been happy with this. First hit from the left side. Let's hope the left side's better than the right. In this case. Mario Leaf. Impidimp. Watchtower. Oh, there's Psyduck. There you go, Ryan. Anything good? Anything? Let's to work our way up to the better side luck. That was the first one.
Yeah, we know.
All those
We've seen it,
packs.
Yeah.
My dude's energy. Applin, where's Diplin? Granite Cave, Melodic. Looking good. Anything? Hey, there we go. Alright, a couple of full arts. Purple. Wonder if he Mabo Stiff ate Arvin sandwich. Alright, well. Sheesh, what's up with this rapping? Major League Baseball. There's the best card in the set, the Bother Bot. Looking good? Oh, anything? I don't know why I thought I saw some gold. Meowth. Lightbird. Adventure Bomb. Diplin, where's Applin? Anything good? Anything? Oh, there's the Hydra. Again, it's like it's been like three of these already. 2 SIRs, I think. Uh-oh. Boy's energy. Needs to shock this box awake and leave us shocked. Small of oil. Wrote him. Anything good? Anything? Oh. Uh-oh. Whose energy that is. It's not in this one. Chingling. Squawkabilly, there you go. Hypnotoad. Sacred Ash. Anything good? Oh, alright! Cool, man! There we go! There's the man right there! Alright! And that's an SIR, too. Excellent! That's perfectly fitting. So blessed. Thank you, Yeshua. Nice! Alright, anything else? Who cares? Alright, man. There's the man right there. Only thing missing is his Persian. Or his Mewtwo. So blessed. Look at that. Alright, man. Alright. There you go. That's a cool card. So blessed. Alright. Let's keep it going. Carbink? Let's see. Grimer? Transceiver. Good. Oh man. Anything? I'm pretty sure I gave away a Misty Starmie out of what was that? Was it Crown? Zenith? No. I can't remember who is that? No, Brilliant Stars. Brilliant Stars, yeah. By accident I gave it away. Didn't think anything else was in the pack. Toad School, Rush Limbaugh. Great Ball. Anything good? Whoa! Houndoom! Alright, man! There we go! Nice! What a box! Cool, man! So blessed. All right, man. Anything else? Who cares? Dude, all right. They were on the left side of the box. Excellent. That's two beautiful hits. Look at that. So blessed. All right. Well, that was probably the third SIR or illustration rare. So ain't gonna be no more. Look at that. Excellent. So blessed. Thank you, Yeshua. Whose energy that is. Magikarp. Who's his Magikarp? Misty's. Oh, there's a sheep. Needs his mask. Melodic. Liper. Ah, the Purloin. Anything good? Anything? Yeah. We got 3 Team Rocket things. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's cool. Uh-oh. Fire. Is the hit gonna be fire? We're on fire for Yeshua, as you can tell. Look what he blesses us with. Rainbow Dash. Power Weight. Anything good? Anything? Hey. We'll take it. Alright, we got about 6 packs left. Be very surprised if there's anything else. Well, I don't know. I don't know what to expect. This is our first time. Like Miyagi says, first time me, first time you. But usually I'd be surprised if there was anything significant with all that on the table. Atara, Blipbug, Larvitar, Venture Bomb. Hypnotoad. Anything good? Anything? Zapdos. It's gonna be 6 boring packs in a row. Dude, what is... Uh-oh. Boy's energy. Just to shock the rest of the packs awake and leave a shock. He already has. Gibble. Arvin Sandwich. Anything good? Anything? Yeah. Whose energy that is? Not in this. Beldum. Pichu. Sacred Ash. Anything good? Oh, wait, what happened there? What happened there? Now I'm like looking to see if they're stuck after that last one. Oh well. Alright. Last 3 packs of an excellent box. Let's see if there's any last packs blessings with an S left. Now, why couldn't it be like Team Big Rocket? So it would be BR, you know? Or Bad Rocket, BR. Mimikry, golly, I haven't seen that.
Yeah.
Olive oil, anything good? Anything? Nothing. So is that right? All 6 packs not gonna have anything? I haven't seen Lapras. Dipplin, where's Applin? Great ball. Rainbow Dash. Anything good? Anything? There you go. That's probably going to be the last two. All right. Last pack of an excellent box. Let's see if there's anything left. One for the road. Mario Leaf. Grimer. Toad's Cruel, Rush Limbaugh. Toad's cool, Rush Limbaugh. Anything good? I was gonna say anything cool. Anything? Oh, meow. Anything? Nothing. Alright guys, we're back with a recap. Well, that was an excellent box. 12 total hits, only one trip to Duplicate Town. We picked up some more illustration rares and a very special illustration rare. So always blessed, guys. So here's everything we're blessed with. Glad to get that. Glad to get that. Glad to get that. All these are we didn't have, obviously. Glad to get that. Glad to get that. Working our way up to that, dude. And check this card out. This card was like really warped. Like I don't know if you can see the stickers, the humps, I guess. Yeah, really. That's the first time it's ever happened to us. Glad it wasn't a big card. Thank God. Glad to get this. This is the second time getting this, but we'll take it. It's a cool card. Really glad to get this. So glad that this was in there. But guys, in the first box, there's the man, Giovanni. Team Rocket's Giovanni. So incredibly blessed, guys. And never ever forget, guys, every card pulled on this channel comes from Hinkle Family Fun Center. Go there now. They're loaded with everything Pokemon, and they have a lot of Destined rivals. And you can pull incredible stuff like this. And we still got plenty more Destined Rivals breaks coming up, guys. So until the next one, God bless and thank you for watching.